Hey everyone! Did you know there's a pet that can regrow its arms and legs? It's called an axolotl. Let's learn more about this amazing little creature. This funny-looking salamander isn't just adorable, it's like something out of a comic book. The axolotl, sometimes called the Mexican walking fish, can regrow its arms, legs, parts of its heart, and even pieces of its brain. That's like a real-life superpower, isn't it? And that's not all. These little guys always look like they're smiling. It's like they're always happy. They come in all sorts of colors, from regular brown to bright pink. And guess what? They never grow up like other salamanders. They stay young forever like Peter Pan, but in the water. So if you love amazing animals with superpowers, the axolotl might be your new favorite. Keep exploring, everyone.